Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's Biscuit. I hope you guys are having a good day. So today's video will be a watch me work. So as you can see, this is my client again. She's back to get a fill-in and some new designs. So she did happen to chip 2 of her nails because she said that they were too long. So we are going to trim them down to make them shorter. So that means we're going to file them and we're going to give her a new design. So as you can see right now, I am trying to get off her rhinestones. Okay, let me tell you about this nail resin. The glue that is holding these rhinestones on. I mean, baby, these things will not pop off with these nippers, okay? I even kind of stuck myself a little bit trying to get them off. And then after that, I was like, you know what? Where is my drill? Because, baby, these need to come off. So I ended up taking the nail drill to get those rhinestones off. The nippers just didn't cut it. So that nail resin, the glue for the rhinestones, is pretty strong. So I definitely would recommend that. So as you can see right now, I'm going to do some filing to bring the nails down some because she said they were too long for her. And I'm going to actually do this before I apply the acrylic so that way it'll cut down on my filing as it is. So I'm just checking with her to make sure that all of the length is going to be good for her, and then we're just going to do the rest of the nails. Okay, so now that we are done with the filing, before we lay the acrylic, it's time to lay the acrylic. So I'm just gonna do the fill-in for her, and then we're gonna go back to filing and shaping, and then we're gonna also take our nail drill to shape down the nails as well. right, so we are done filing. Took a lot, but you know, we got it done. And so now I'm just cleaning the nails with an alcohol wipe, so that way we can go ahead and start the process with the design. Now, she normally lets me just do whatever I like, because she says she has such a difficult time finding stuff that she likes like on Pinterest or things like that. So she lets me do free range with the designs. So as you can see right now, I am laying the base coat and making sure that she gets that in the nail lamp so that way it can cure. And then we are going to do like a nude beige kind of color, and we are going to do some sparkles. As you see, I have some glitter here, so I'm placing that on her nail. And then we're going to do a white color. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other ideas that you want to see me do. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. My Instagram and my Twitter is down below. Make sure you follow me. Hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you also hit that notification bell, so that way you will know every time that I upload a video. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.